Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time here, my name is Tanushri, and if you have been here already, then welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to get that smoky emerald eye makeup. Okay, without any further ado, let's begin. As base on my lids, I'm going to be using Face It in the shade yellow. I'm applying with this with my foundation brush from Kralin and blend it with my beauty blender. I'm going to focus on the lid. So I'm going to apply black kajal as the base on my lid before apply green eyeshadow. I'm using my fluffy brush to blend it evenly. For transition, I'm going to dip into this color with a blending brush from Ferrero. I'm going to apply it very lightly at the crease. I'm dipping my brush into this black color to smoke out my inner and outer corner because I like that intense, captivating smoky eyes. I'm using this emerald color from my Ferrero eyeshadow palette. For highlighting my brow bone, I'm using MAC highlighter. Always take very little color at a time, because when you take too much color, sometimes blending becomes a nightmare. So you can definitely add more to this depending on how intense you want it to look, but start with less color and slowly keep adding till you are happy with the intensity. For foundation, I'm using Face It in the shade name yellow and medium oriental, and I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. To set my foundation, I'm going to bake my highlighted part with this applicator. For bronzing, I'm going to be using this bronzer. This one is from MAC with the help of this spoon brush. Now I'm going to dust out and blend everything with this blending brush. For highlighting, I'm going to be using this highlighter. This one is from MAC Skin Finish. Okay, let's finish the remaining look before we reveal the final look. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more future updates. And I'm gonna see you in my next videos. Till then, bye guys.